Alright guys, let's look at this next figure here. Now I'm going to help you. Look, this is a 5 by 5 square, and every single one of these or triangles right here are going to have a base of 5 and a height of 8. So there's two formulas you're going to need. You're going to need the area of a square, or we can just use a rectangle because a rectangle is the same as square. And then we're going to need the area of a triangle. So half of base times height. So when I look at this right here for the square, I'll do this one first. Length is 5, width is 5. So let's see, 5 times 5 is just 25. So boom, right there inside that figure, we're good to go. Now let's look at our other figures here. We've got these triangles, and look, they're all the same size. So if we can find one, we can pretty much find the area of them all. So let's see, the base of any of these triangles are all 5. The height for all of these triangles are just 8. So let's do this. Half of base 5 times 8. Alright, so let me see. When I put that in there, I'm going to do it this way. 5 times 8 is 40. And half of 40 is 20. So every single one of these triangles is going to have an area of 20. So let's see, when I add this together, 20, 40, 60, 80, and then add in another 25. It's going to be 105 centimeters squared for that one.